Everyone, and welcome to today's edition of Bright Telecom walkthrough. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to verify your account on Bright Telecom after registration. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using a demo account to demonstrate how it is done. First of all, let's log in. I log in, continue. Alright, first thing first, always make sure that you read this notification to know what is currently happening at the moment. We always update this notification to engage users and let them know, about the product updates beforehand. So you will now cancel it. I cancel it by closing it. You see this verify now button that is blinking like this. Let me point at it. Then you see it is verify now button. You click on it. We have two methods of verification, which is through BVN and NIN. So if you don't have your BVN, you should have your NIN, but we recommend NIN for faster approval. So you select method of verification. For this video, I'll be using national ID card. I select it. You enter the correct national ID card number because we're going to verify it. If it is wrong or the name does not match with your name, either you correct it, or if you discover that it is a fraudulent activity, you are using another person's national ID card to verify, your account will be banned instantly. So I enter the value. Click on submit. Successfully lodged. Thanks for submitting your KYC. It is being reviewed. Check back in 5 minutes. Check back in minutes for what next to do. Always read all these pop-up notifications. It is very helpful. It will guide you through everything you do on our website. So that's why we provide all this detailed information for you to always read and understand how things are done. Now click on OK. Also read this instruction. Please wait, your account is under review and will be approved within 5 minutes. Once you are verified, return here for the next step or click on generate account button on your dashboard. If you need faster approval, contact customer care. In case we are not active at that moment and you want to use your account urgently, though we are always active, but sometimes at some point we might want to attend to some other things, so contacting us will let us attend to it promptly. Now go back to your dashboard and see your account status. See, account status is under review. So as the instruction says 5 minutes, we're going to wait for 5 minutes to pass, then we'll come back and see. So let's log out. So 5 minutes is gone and let's log in back and see if our account is approved. Log in again. Congratulations, account verified. The process is very easy, and very fast. Understand? Just submit the right information and your account will be approved in short time. So guys, that's it for this particular video. In the next video, we will be showing you guys how to generate an account after your account is being approved. Thanks for watching, and let's see you in the next video.